What if your engine isn't dying because it's old, but because of one small oil habit you ignore every day? Same car, same driver. One lasts 120,000 miles, the other hits 300,000. The difference? It's not luck, it's behavior. Section 1. The biggest oil myth drivers believe. Most drivers say, I just follow the owner's manual. Sounds smart, but here's the reality. Manuals are built for warranty survival, not maximum lifespan. That's the contrast. Minimum requirement versus maximum longevity. If you always wait for the longest interval, you're not protecting your engine, you're stretching it. What oil actually does inside an engine? Oil isn't just lubrication, it's your engine's cooling system, cleaning system, and chemical shield all at once. But here's the catch. Oil doesn't fail instantly, it slowly weakens, and the moment its protection drops, wear quietly begins. The oil habit mechanics follow. Here's what experienced mechanics actually do in their own cars. They don't wait until oil is due, they change it before it stops protecting. That's the shift, reactive maintenance versus proactive protection. Because once oil breaks down, damage doesn't ask for permission, it just starts. Section 2. The hidden enemy, fuel dilution. Modern engines have a silent problem, fuel mixing into oil. You won't see it, you won't smell it, but it thins your oil and weakens the protective film. Short trips, cold starts, traffic, sound familiar? That's exactly how most people drive. Why short trips are hard on oil. If your engine never fully warms up, moisture and fuel stay trapped inside. Over time, that turns into sludge, and sludge doesn't just sit there, it blocks oil flow. Now ask yourself, how many of your drives are under 15 minutes? Section 3. Lab testing reveals the truth. Oil labs consistently find higher metal wear when oil runs too long. Not instantly, not dramatically, but slowly, consistently. And that's the dangerous part. Small wear today becomes expensive failure tomorrow. Section 4. The oil habit that extends engine life. The smartest drivers don't follow one fixed number. They adjust based on how they drive. Hot weather, short trips, heavy traffic, shorter intervals. Because engines don't care about schedules, they care about conditions. Why low oil destroys engines? Here's something most drivers underestimate. Oil level. Even healthy engines burn small amounts of oil over time, and if you never check it, it keeps dropping. What happens when oil level drops? 3 things happen fast. Temperature rises, lubrication weakens, and the engine starts starving under load. No warning, no alert, just silent damage. Why warning lights are not early warnings. That oil light, it's not a safety net, it's a last warning. By the time it turns on, your engine may already be in trouble. Section 5. The 30-second habit that saves engines. This is the simplest habit and the most ignored. Check your oil. Every few weeks or every 1,000 miles. It takes less than a minute and it can save you thousands. So let me ask you, when was the last time you actually checked it? Section 6. Real-world teardown observations. When engines are opened up, the difference is obvious. Well-maintained engines look clean, smooth, almost untouched. Neglected ones, burnt, scored, full of damage. Same engine, different habits. Section 7. Why cold starts are the most dangerous moment. Most engine wear happens right after startup. Why? Because oil hasn't fully circulated yet. Now here's the mistake. Some people idle too long, others drive aggressively immediately. Both are wrong. The warm-up mistake many drivers make. The right approach is simple. Start, wait a few seconds, drive gently. That's it. Not aggressive, not idling forever, just controlled, smooth driving. The oil film that protects your engine. Your engine survives on a thin layer of oil. Too cold, it's not ready. Too thin, it can't protect. That's why those first few minutes matter more than most people think.